How to add chat rules to your stream on your channel on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page. Now go to your profile from here, click and go to your settings like this. After you go to settings, now all what you have to do is so simple. Just click on channel and videos. After you click on channel and videos, now click here on moderation option. After you click on moderation, now all what you have to do is simple. Scroll down until you find chat rules. Now you can add your chat rules from here, as you can see, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.